Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my class English with Harry. And first of all, I would like to say Happy New Year buat kalian semua. Hopefully on this new year you will have a better life. And congratulations for your score on the semester 1. Hopefully on this second semester nilai kalian jadi lebih bagus. Nah, today the first material on grade 12, we will be learning about connector showing contrast. Sebenarnya ini materi sudah saya jelaskan untuk first semester, but for a deeper understanding about this topic, saya jelasin lagi for this semester. Okay, first, actually ada banyak sekali connector showing contrast. Nah, kita akan learning them satu persatu. Yang pertama ada but sama yet, means tapi. I will put subtitle right there, okay? Means tapi, but sama yet ini on the same category, okay? So before but harus ditaruh koma. Contoh, she is lazy, comma, but she's smart. Or you can say she's lazy, comma, and then get she's smart. Okay, it's quite easy. But and yet letaknya selalu di tengah kalimat. Do not put them on the first part of the sentence. Okay. After but and yet, we also have although, even though, sama though. It means walaupun. Okay. Letaknya boleh di tengah ataupun di depan. Contoh, although she is lazy, she is smart. Or you can say she is smart although she is lazy. The auto part you can change them sama though or even though. Jadi you can say although she is lazy, she is smart. Even though she is lazy, she is smart. Though she is lazy, she is smart. Okay? It's easy, right? Although, even though sama though letaknya boleh di depan or boleh di tengah, tidak boleh paling belakang. Okay? Next ada however, sama nonetheless, sama nevertheless. Yang ini harus jadi dua kalimat. Jadi kalau tadi kan although she's lazy, she's smart. Nah, kalau ini she is lazy, titik. She's lazy, period atau titik, and then however she's smart. Jadi dia pintar, titik. Namun demikian dia pintar. So however, however, nevertheless, sama nonetheless, that means namun demikian. Jadi letaknya harus di kalimat kedua. Contoh lagi adalah he is handsome, titik. However, he always keep the class. Okay. So however, nevertheless, sama nonetheless is the same. Kalau mau digabung jadi dua kalimat itu digabung jadi satu, you can use even so. Artinya juga namun demikian, tapi boleh satu kalimat. For example, yaitu tadi, she is lazy, even so, she is smart. Okay? Atau enggak, he is handsome, even so, he is handsome, even so, and then he skips the class always. Okay? Nah, after that we have on the other hand, ada juga in contrast sama on the contrary. Ini artinya gimana ya? Di lain sisi, di lain sisi it's the same. For example, it's like this. My brother speaks English very well. In the other hand, I speak no English. Ada lagi. Saya ulang ya, my brother speaks English very well. Titik. On the other hand, I speak no English. Bagian on the other hand, you can change them pakai in contrast atau on the contrary. Okay? And then the last one ini agak susah ya karena harus you have to change kalimatnya jadi noun phrase. Ada despite sama in spite of. Ini letaknya juga boleh di tengah, di depan ataupun di belakang. In spite of sama despite artinya walaupun, tapi diikuti bukan kalimat, but it must be followed by noun phrase. Noun phrase itu kata yang lebih dari satu, tapi no to be, no model, no do, does, did, atau no verb. Okay? Jadi tidak ada itu. Jadi bukan kalimat. Jadi kalau dia cantik, despite of despite sama in spite of ini di follow sama kecantikan. I will give you example here. Okay. Contohnya adalah kalau tadi kan although she is lazy, she is smart. Kalau dijadikan noun phrase akan jadi gini. Despite her laziness, she is smart. In spite of her laziness, she is smart. Atau boleh ditaruh belakang. She is smart in spite of her laziness. Atau she is smart despite of her laziness. Pay attention. She is lazy becomes her laziness. Ini bisa kamu tanyakan if you feel confused about this part. Noun phrase-nya nanti you can share your question in the comment box or you can just text me, okay? That's all for today. Hopefully you understand and hopefully my explanation can strengthen your understanding about this topic the first semester. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for paying attention. See you and have a good day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.